Hey, what's going on everyone? Mark Bryce, number NYC. I'm here with my car today. I wanted to show you guys some packages that I just received today. It's the SMA suspension, the coilover kit, the complete coilover kit, and I also received my new brake pads and new rotors from R1 Concept. Let me just change the camera around so you guys can see the product. I know it's been a while that I haven't posted a video. It's pretty much about 6 months now. I have a couple of things going on where I have some new product lines that I'm coming out with, but that's for another video. But right now, let's get to it. Alrighty, so what I have here, this came in today. This is the R1 Concept rotors. These are drill slot rotors. They're all in black with also what do I have in here? The brake pads. This all came together from R1 Concept. Then I got the SMA suspension. I'm not planning on making a video for this because I already made one a couple of years ago installed. I just bought another kit just to have. Now this is the forgot the model that I purchased. It came from SMA. I love these suspensions. They're a little pricey, but I never had a problem with them. The only reason why I'm changing them is because I'm gonna hold on to this for a while. I plan on keeping this until I want to trade it in. Well, not trade it in. I'm gonna do a private sale. I'm planning on purchasing another car in the next year or two, but this car I want to pamper it, have it all hooked up well with this kit, so then I can sell it and sell it for a little more because this car is pretty much 10 years old now. I'm sure I'm not going to get a good value for it, but just because I have the iPad mounted, I have a couple of modifications on this car, and with a new suspension kit, this car could be sold for a lot more than what it's the asking price. So let me get this box inside and open it up for you guys. Oh, and before I forget, I also have this spare side view mirror. This is the passenger side. It's in great condition. It's not, although it's black, the main color, so you can see right here, it's actually white. I painted it black, plastic dip. Aside from the bottom piece, this piece right here is in good condition. The glass works, everything works, nothing's broken. Planning on selling this. If anybody's asking for this, I'll give it to you for 15 bucks. All you have to do is just pay for the shipping and handling. Alright, let me bring this box inside. Alright guys, so we're back. I brought the box in. It was a pain in the ass. It's a heavy box. It weighs exactly 63 pounds. So as I mentioned in the other clip, what I'm receiving right now is the black rotors, cross-drilled rotors with ceramic brake pads. I got it at a good price. I got it as a bundle for the front wheels and the back wheels. All 4 rotors, all brake pads, everything included, came out to I think it was around $243, $250. I mean the price wasn't that bad. I remember a couple of years ago, I can't remember if it was R1 Concept brake pads, these, but in silver, or it was the other company, Rotors. I paid about $250 for just one pair, and this came in a full complete set. Yeah, you can see them. So here we go. These are the brake pads, R1 Concept. Hey guys, it's me again. I think it's better if I just show it to you guys up close than showing you guys me just opening up the product. So if you look closely, this is a better angle. All black, cross-drilled rotors, slotted. I won't say it's glossy aside from this part right here. This is just more like a matte finish. Of course, you're not going to have it glossy. This is all going to get sanded down from years of driving. Hopefully I get about at least 3 years out of these rotors. These are 3 here, these 2 at the front. Look very pretty. And then this is the back. I haven't opened up the last one over there. But let me show you guys the rear brake pads. ceramic series brake pads. Yeah. Rubber coated steel shim. Rubber, steel, rubber. Underlayer. Ooh. Premium ceramic formulation. Very nice. Half of the stuff here, I don't really care what it says, but it just looks so pretty. I like the way it's packaged, designed. I mean, this is what sells. Of course, you're gonna buy something that works, but you also want to buy something that the company invested in marketing, making their product looks good. I've purchased R1 concept pads before, but I never really took the time to look at the package design. As I mentioned before, I'm also opening up 2 product lines on my brand, so now I'm looking at package design a lot differently. Stopping the World, TM, that's their trademark. I'm over here advertising them. I mean, I have no problem with R Concepts or with Rotors. The rotors that I have right now, I cannot remember if they're this brand or the Rotors, but they're good. For the price, I'm not gonna say, oh, they're crappy. I spent all this 4 rotors plus the full brake pads. All of this, I believe it came out to like $240 something, $250 at most. And these are the fronts. Slotted, scorched, positive mold, chamfered. Again, R1 Concept is not paying me for this video, nor do I care. I'm just showing you guys the products that I use for my car, the Hyundai Sonata 2010, the Mark Bryce project. I'm not going to open up the SMA suspension. Like I said, I made a video of already a couple of years back. But this is what I'll be putting onto the car in the next month. Just wait until the weather gets a lot warmer. Right now we're having it's pretty cold out there. This is my home. I mean, I'm not going to show you guys videos of my house, although I'm walking around right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will make another video when these are on. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it just because I don't have the time like I used to. If you'll notice, most of my videos, I pretty much done 90% of the stuff on my car, except the exception of the SMA suspension, because I just don't have the tools for it. But I love working on my car. Again, the Mark Bryce project. But I'm not going to put these on just because I don't have the time anymore. I invested in my home. I have a growing family. As you can see, I have toys scattered everywhere. Yeah, this house is a mess, and pretty much I clean every night. I work from home. My wife works outside, so I watch my boys. One is in school, the other one's taking a nap right now. That's why I have the time to make this video. But I just don't have the time for hooking up the car. That's one of the reasons why I don't really work on the car. I don't invest time onto hooking up the car anymore, modifying it, because now I'm spending more time working from home, working on the brand. I have some product lines coming up. Yeah, I don't even have time to look at my backyard. I don't even have time to clean these leaves, pick them up. I'm just mainly working on the computer. The next 2 months from now, I'm gonna have some products out there. One has to deal with the Mark Bryce project, although it's not car related, but it has a sense into helping you work on your car, if that makes sense. The other product line is pretty much another home product, but again, it's something that I invest in my time in. That's one of the reasons why I don't work on my car as I used to. But yeah, guys, I'm over here ranting. I just want to tell you guys thank you for watching my videos. I will try to post another video. I will show you guys a video of my roof of the car, where if you're gonna do a wrap on your car, I highly suggest you keep in mind that those wrapping your car only lasts, it's temporarily. It would only last at least 2 years at most with a nice gloss finish, if that's what your purpose is for. My gloss does not look gloss. The roof doesn't look glossy anymore. It looks faded. It looks terrible. I'm gonna have to peel it off and get it painted. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later.